If I grab the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle on the canvas, then I'll grab the corner tool, make this corner rounded, and this one as well. Then round this corner a little bit, or click here to change the radius to 80 pixels, and this corner too, change the radius to 80 pixels. I'll grab the move tool, then I rotate it to 60 degrees, grab the fill tool, drag the gradient path like this, select this point, and change the color to brown. Select this point, change the color to darker brown. Then I'll select the move tool, move it here, press Alt and drag it to duplicate. Press Ctrl J a few times to duplicate more. Move it to center. And press here to group them. Now I've got a rope. If I grab the rectangle tool again, draw a rectangle as big as the canvas. Click the fill tool, drag the gradient path like this. Click this point to change the color to light blue. And this one to light yellow. Click Layers panel and move the layer to the bottom. Now I've got a background. Then I'll select the Move tool and select the rope again. Then click the Layer Effects. Click Bevel/Emboss. On Type, select Inner. Then slide to adjust the radius. Soften it. Change the highlight color and the shadow color. Then I'll click the outer shadow, adjust the radius, adjust the offset and intensity, then slide the opacity and click Close. Now the rope is complete. So that's how you draw a rope in Affinity. I hope it's useful for you. And as always, thanks for watching and have a good day.